Local news for Wednesday, the 29th of July. Marston and Trust Lands Trust is offering grants to community and education organisations in providing local education programs and opportunities. The new Community Education Fund is providing a total of $125,000 worth of grants, available up to $15,000 each. Applications are currently open and close on the 31st of August. A new survey shows that 90% of general practices have returned to seeing the majority of patients in person. That said, the three DHBs region, which covers Capital and Coast, Wairarapa and Hutt Valley DHBs, covers nearly 8,000 new patients registered for a patient portal between February and May this year. A new website has been launched to gather information and ideas on Wairarapa's COVID recovery. The Wairarapa recovery team has been set up to provide assistance and advice for restoring and enhancing our community's social, economic, environmental and cultural wellbeing, with information being able to be accessed and ideas provided at wairaraparecovery.co.nz. And finally in sport, 8 teams will compete in each Premier grade of netball this year as the season gets underway proper this weekend. Prem 1 includes 2 Carterton sides, Greytown, Gladstone, Celtic, Harcourts and Waikato and St Matt's Senior A sides. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.